There was an elderly woman who had a boy servant in her village. She would grumble and mistreat him every day for no fault of his own. Even so, the boy tried his best to make her happy and to be loyal to her with the best of his services. No matter how hard he tried to make her happy, the woman treated him badly. One day he became fed up with her, and so he decided to get rid of her because of her inhumane and cruel treatment. He plucked a piece of chili from the jungle and put it in the curry so that she might eat it and die. He thought that chili was poisonous because usually no one ate it. One day the old woman became very sick. While she was taking food, the boy gave her a piece of chili, telling her that it would give her health and give her a long span of life. The old lady ate it, after which she began to sweat because of its pungency, and she became restless. Now the boy was very happy as he saw her struggling. He thought that he could get rid of her thus. However, to his dismay, she recovered from her sickness and became fresher than ever. She even displayed a greater appetite for food than before. Having known its unique taste and the good effects, the woman always asked him to bring more chilies. Slowly, chili came to be used by human beings as one of the spices in food.